Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to call or message someone on WhatsApp without saving their number. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open your WhatsApp, click here, and friends click here. And here have option call a number, click here. And friends, this interface open ready. Here you dial number, which number you want to call or message, you dial that number. So if you want a message, you click here. If you want call, so you click here. So first I show you, I click here message. And friends, you see here without saving number, directly chat open ready. So here I can send any message that number. And now I show you how to call. Click here. Just simply click here call. So friends, you see here without saving number, I call that number. So very simple or easy friends. You also can message or call on WhatsApp without saving number. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.